What we got here is this Whirlpool Cabrio. As you see, it's got all these fancy digital knobs and all this and that. And our problem here is the flame is not igniting. So what we're going to do is we're going to test the igniter. Very simple, very easy. Here's the quickest and easiest way to check. We're going to go over, hit the start button, go over, press start. We're going to go down to the pilot. You're going to see inside the pilot, there's no red flame, means it's not working. So we come back up to the unit, turn the power off, unplug, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take a quarter inch drive, unbolt the bag, which is pretty much the same process for all Kenmore, Whirlpool, gas or electric dryers. Yeah, there's one there. One. Sorry, it's just taking one little minute here. Once you release all these screws, your back is going to come off. Then once your back's going to come off, what you're going to do is, short and simple, you're going to go down to these two, to your thermal fuses, or some people call them safety fuses, and you're going to take your multimeter, and what we're going to do is we're going to set it on the continuity setting. Put your light on, touch the two probes together, and you can hear the sound that it's making. Then you're going to pull it off, touch it to the two, and see that there's no sound. So what we need to do is we need to replace this. We're going to take our quarter-inch socket. We're going to remove this one screw, and we're going to put a new one on there, and then we're going to go from there. See how that comes out. Done deal. Take a new one out of the package. Slide the back end in with the groove first. What do we do with our screw? Screw it back in gently. I use an impact gun. You can use whatever you want. Then we're going to return the red to the bottom, the blue to the top. Now we're going to test it with our probes. Continuity. So now what we do is we're going to leave that back off for a minute now, and we're going to plug the unit back in. We're going to go back around to the front, and we're just going to simply hit the power, hit the start, and we'll go from there. Power, start. And we're going to work our way back down into the pilot hole, and see that it is now lighting up. So we fixed our problem, and that's it. That's usually the most common problem with majority of your gas dryers, as your Maytag units, or the non-digital simple Whirlpool units. This Whirlpool style has the same problem. as if these Whirlpools do too. We're gonna go back out here. Job's all done. Remember, we're C&M Appliances. You can find us on Craigslist, on Google. Give us a call anytime. 267-407-6446. Thanks.